Welcome back to the channel Code with Rajeshwari and to this vibrant SwiftUI app celebrating the festival of colors Holi. In this video, we'll take a look at an amazing Holi app with stunning animations, smooth transitions and a beautiful user experience. Let's dive in. We start with a lively splash screen where colorful animated bubbles float gracefully on a radiant gradient background. This creates an immersive and festive first impression. Next, we enter the image gallery where beautiful holy moments cycle through with smooth pagination. Users can enjoy a slideshow of vibrant festival images, enhancing the celebratory mood. And the third screen features an eye-catching Happy Holy animation where the text dynamically rotates, scales, and glows in a bright, festive colors. A surprise Holi themed image appears, making the experience even more joyful. And finally, the Wishes screen showcases an mesmerizing background that continuously shifts colors. The name Rajeshwari appears in a bold animated fashion, changing colors while spinning and scaling, adding the perfect finishing touch to a celebration. This Holi app is an fantastic example of SwiftUI power in crafting immersive experience. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing projects. Happy Holi. Let me know if you want any other SwiftUI applications you want me to create so that I'll create it and upload it in my channel. And please subscribe to this channel Code with Rajeshwari. Happy Holi once again.